Good morning, America! Hi. So it's Daddy rushing the baby. Ang cute ng damit niya. Ang lugar na ang daming mga gown. Ayan yung school niya. Book 19, Chapter 9, Page 10. So, ito yung last na relaxed morning namin dito sa Amerika kasi tomorrow, pupunta na kami sa Japan. And siguro, 6 a.m. Oo, mga ganitong oras. Ano ba ngayon? 8 na pala ngayon. Papunta na kami sa airport. Kaya, ayan. Si Sam, naliligo pa siya. Hindi ko na siya aantayin. Gusto ko nang pumunta sa balcony kasi gusto ko nang makita yung mga pusa. Wait, dalhin ko yung tsinelas ko dun. Akala ko lahat ng American family, pinadala yung tsinelas sa loob. Pero, sina Sam, yung mama ni Sam, pati yung pinuntahan naming tita ni Sam, hindi ganun. Hi, Sai! Lego, hindi kita napansin agad. Sobrang sarap ng simoy ng hangin, malamig-lamig. Ayan, pumupunta na sila sa akin. Hi, Lego. Hi, Lego. Lego, come here. Come here. Hmm? Ayan, kinukulit na naman nitong maliit eh. Ang cute nila. Ayan, yun si Lego. Gusto niya talaga laging nasa labas. Pero pag feel niya pumasok, ayan, pumapasok siya. Hi, Lego! Come here! Come here, Lego! Come here! Come here! Let's go! Let's go to Sham. Let's go to Sham. Hi, babe. He wants to see you. Ayan, dahil nakatuwalya lang siya pa lang.
Little buddy. My fat buddy.
Sai is like, all you care about is him. He will follow you. You're so sweet. Sai, how are you? Ed Tunnel. You have a visitor, babe. You have a visitor. Sai. Talagang sumusunod siya agad kay Sam. Oh, nagsap sa akin. So, eto na yung attic nila. Ayan, ang mahiwagang hagdanan. So, Sam will take you up there.
Alright, let's go up. So most of everything up here is stuff from when I used to live here. So they had to put all my old stuff somewhere. I have a lot of weapons. I was super into swords as a kid, so I have a sword. I also have all my a lot of old shirts and toys and games as well. That's what I want to start looking at. So all 3 of these boxes I'm gonna have to go look through. So yeah, let's get to work.
Ayan yung itsura sa taas. Ang cool! Para itong parang secret room. Tapos nakikita nyo tong kahoy. Ayan, yan yung papunta doon sa closet sa kwarto ni Sam.
I have so many movies in here still.
Pumipili siya ng mga DVDs na dadalhin niya sa Japan. Ayan, ang dami. Parang nag-aantay na silang papasukin. Are we gonna get Sai in?
Sure.
Because...
We'll see you later, buddy.
Yan, aalis na naman kami. Bibili-bili na ako ng mga snacks. Tapos yung mga kailangan ko. Punta rin na kami sa bookstore.
I love you too, babe.
Good morning, America! So, ayan, doon kami nanood ng sine. Tapos dito, merong mall. Ito na yung last day naming magmo-mall. Maaga pa, wala pa masyadong tao. Nandyan kami tumambay para maki-wifi. Yan yung Pandora. Diyan ko binili itong Maryland na charm na hindi makita. Pang football. Naghahanap siya kasi nung para sa Packers. Aaron Rodgers, number 12.
All the sounds right here, the sounds are over by the stuffing machine. Just stuff it together, then give it an air bath, get it dressed.
Sabi ko, siya yung pumili para mas special. Idea niya to eh. Sabi niya gusto niyang gumawa dito ng bear, ng plushie para special kasi parang personalized.
Okay.
Oh, you don't have to do it, babe. Because... So it's daddy dressing the baby. Ang cute. Ang daming damit dito. Tapos merong pang panty dito. Ayan, oh. Ay, bilan ko kaya siya ng panty. Ay, may panty ba yun? Oh my God, ang cute ng damit niya. Ito naman kami sa Hallmark. Ayan. Ito naman yung Maryland souvenirs. Ayan, nakahanap ako ng cute na magnet. Ayan. I saw this. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Always be yourself. Unless you can be Batman. So, ayan, may nakita kaming lugar na ang daming mga gown na saktong-sakto kasi pupunta kami sa Air Force Ball at nakahanap kami! Yay! Chick-fil-A! At andito na ulit tayo sa Books A Million. Promise ko kayo some 30 minutes lang ako dyan. Punta kami sa dating school ni Sam. Parang napaka, putol-putol yung vlog ko ngayon kasi masyadong busy. Update ngayon. Ayan na, alam na namin ang pangalan niya. Emery Bird. Kaya Emery kasi parang dapat related sa America. Tapos ayan, nakatamit siya.
Still has an earring.
Yeah. Ay, mga alaala ng high school.
So I used to come from that way every single morning.
Ayan yung school niya. That's...
North Point.
Huh?
North Point.
North Point. Let's get in.
We can't get in.
It's so big.
Yeah. But it's only on one, or there's one like upstairs section, but most of it is just on one floor.
How do you feel seeing it?
It's crazy. I haven't seen it so long.
Yan, buti pa yung mga schools dito, no? Meron talaga silang malaking field. Hindi pareho sa Pinas. Ang iba meron, ang iba wala.
That's what I call the Lego school because like that part of there kind of looks like it was made out of Legos.
Oo nga, parang Lego. Ang cute ng design. And the color, it's so you.
Yeah.
blue, white.
And that,
Oh, the school bus.
that big parking lot is where I would park my car when I could drive.
Nagtatanggal yung mag-ama nung parang rock climbing something ni Sam doon. Yan, nakikita nyo ba? Yan. Mamimiss ko to. Sobra. Hindi ko na nabilang yung puno. Sabi ko kay Sam, bilangin namin eh. Parang mini gubat talaga siya eh, no? Yung lupa nila hanggang mga doon pa. Nilakad namin to eh. At may gustong lumabas. Ay, ayaw. You wanna go out? Go out. Oh, what? Ay, so cute. Okay, so punta tayo sa kwarto. Tignan nyo naman ang lagay ng kwarto. Tada! Naligo nga pala ako, kaya ayan, ganito yung itsura ko ngayon. Basa ang aking hair, pero ayan, ang dami pa namin gagawin. Magpapak kami. So, ayan, ito ang aking maleta. Yung maleta ni Sam na andun. Ito yung mga ilang gamit na nakuha niya mula sa attic. Ayan pa. Nadadalhin daw niya sa Japan. Ito, si Amery! Ayan, taas natin ang damit mo. Sabi ko kay Sam, nakakuha siya ng anak, hindi girlfriend. Tapos, ito yung mga ilang snacks na pampasalubong ko. Ito yung gown na nabili ko. Sana hindi siya magusot-gusot. Naku. Hi! Ngayon ay 7:30 na. Tama ba? Ay, magsa-7 pa lang? Yan, 6:45 pa lang pala. Ay. Look at that. Finally realized that he's stinky. Tulog na yung papa ni Sam at yung asawa niya, kaya makikipaglaro na kami sa mga pusa sa labas. Let's go out! Lego, Lego, where are you? Where are you? Oh my God, squirrel! Ito yung naninibago ako kasi syempre sa Japan hindi ako basta-basta nakakakita ng squirrel. Pero dito, sa Amerika, napakadami. You found Lego! He's being lazy? Hi!
Oh, be nice to each other. There you go. Here, Lego, come on. Let's go over here and sit down.
It's the perfect time now to count the trees.
Okay, have fun. It's okay, Lego. I got you. I love you, Lego.
Ducks.
My big cat. Big fat cat.
I can watch you all day. God, nalulungkot naman ako sa babayan nila.
So many great times together, right, baby? Remember when we first got you and you pooped on Dad's bed? You made a really big hole in the bed so that you could poop in it, but then you missed. And that was back before you were even Lego. You became Lego after that, when I caught you laying in my bucket of Legos, and that's how we came up with your name. You were so tiny back then, and look at how big you are now. Look how much you've grown. And remember how you used to try to attack me? You remember that, little buddy? No, stay up here. You don't get to go down. This is our last time. It'll be our last time together ever, Lego. Okay, you wanna go there? Okay. I remember when we moved here, we used to live out in Iowa. Then you moved here. You had to go on that super long drive, and you were so noisy. But we made it here.
Ang kalaro niya balahibo.
But I don't care. Goodbye, Lego. I love you.
Pooping like them. Saya's no respect. He wants to stay. Time to say goodbye. Balik na sa labas si Lego. Ayaw niya sa loob. Gusto niya lagi sa labas.